Let's see how the autonomic nervous system regulates heart rate. Imagine you're going on a hike in Tilden and suddenly see a bear in the distance. Oh no! You get scared and your brain activates your sympathetic nervous system. The preganglionic neurons in your spinal cord become active and release acetylcholine onto neurons just outside the spinal cord. Acetylcholine binds nicotinic acetylcholine receptors on the dendrites of the postganglionic neurons, causing them to have action potentials. The postganglionic neurons release norepinephrine onto the pacemaker cells in your heart. Meanwhile, epinephrine has also been released into the blood from the adrenal medulla. Norepinephrine and epinephrine bind adrenergic receptors in the pacemakers, increasing the frequency of action potentials in the heart, making your heart beat faster. The blood flowing out of your heart brings more oxygen to your muscles so you can run away from the bear. Just as you turn to run away, you see that it isn't a scary bear at all. It's Oski, the cow mascot. Your brain switches on the parasympathetic nervous system, bringing your heart rate back to normal. Go Bears!